Hello everyone, gshock here. Today I would like to unbox a parcel that just arrived, and this will be the invoice. It is a gshock watch, of course, and I bought this at 19,800 Japanese yen, and of course through buy.jp, which is the sponsor for today's video. If you want to buy any new release gshock watches, vintage or whatever, I highly recommend you guys to use the site. Link will be available down in the description box. Use the links, buy your new gshock or vintage model or spare parts or whatever that you want from Japan. They have a lot, but here I'm just gonna talk about gshock watch. So let's open the box up and have a look what's inside. I'm gonna film a separate video for review, of course, because this is just a unboxing. Hold on, this is gonna be pretty dangerous for my cat, so lay there. Okay, and I actually bought this watch from the same seller of which I bought this one, this GA2100 carbon core model. And if you watch the unboxing video for this model, you'll see that that seller gave me same box, the exact same box at the exact same size and the exact same way of packaging. So I already opened this box up prior to filming this just to check what's inside, and I'm not surprised anymore. Hold on, it's stuck over here. Let's see now. So here we are. So if you buy gshock watch through buy.jp, this is the kind of thing that you'll be getting. Let's see now. In this case, buy.jp didn't even repack the package because there's no need. They used the exact same box that that seller used to send to their warehouse, and they ship it the way it is because it's already secure now. So I like that a lot. And since I just only bought one watch, they don't have to combine the box at all. So in this case, this is it. This will be the Japan set box, and this will be the casing. Now I have 3 of this thing in my possession already, and at first I didn't like it, and now I like them a lot because now I have more space to put my gshock watch into. This is just the ordinary gshock black box, so I don't have to go through all this. And this will be the watch. Let's open it up. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I pick up the Caster 3229 and 3422 Japan module that is operating the new GM. Hold on, what is this thing? Alright, okay. The new GM 5600. I'm kind of late on this, but here we are. The black and green version. It looks really cool though. For first impression, I gotta say that. And let's have a look at this paper real quick. It has EF backlighting and it has 20 bar watch resistance, and that's pretty much it for the functions. I'm not even surprised at all. What makes this watch special is less for the function but more on the construction itself. So that's it. That's why you're paying extra for, and that is what all the hype are all about. The retail price goes at 24,000 Japanese yen, and as I already shown here, I paid only 19,800 Japanese yen, so a lot cheaper. That's why I highly recommend you guys to use buy.jp. And yeah, nothing much to see here. This will be the watch. The box is already there, so a quick look. Okay, this is it. Alright, stay tuned for the review video. I'm gonna need to wear the watch, inspect it for all the details, so I won't miss any one of those. Starting from brown, snap. Now we have a white box. Okay, I already opened this box, so no need for me to cut it up again. This will be the Japan only warranty card. If you buy gshock watch through buy.jp, most of the time you'll get a Japan only warranty card for 1 year. So there's kind of like a downside if your watch broke, but you could always send it back, no problem. It's gonna cost you a lot more though. This is the new Kyo Momiji series. They are the autumn one. I bought all 3 actually, and here we are. This is the DW-6900TAL-4JR. The 6900 version. Wow, look at all that. Hold on, this is really cool. Check this out, guys. So this is the regular box with silver gshock lettering. This is the red one. So cool. The font is bigger, glossy, and yeah, really simple box, but way better, I gotta say that. So let me this one out. This is the GA-100TAL. I believe this TAL stands for, check this out, guys. Since all this model were only being released in Japan and during autumn season, the name is TAL. I'm guessing the T stands for tourist, the AL stands for autumn leaf. So that's it. So that's the colorway and also what this watch is made for tourists who is visiting Japan during autumn season, which is ongoing right now if I'm not mistaken. So somehow, oh, there's damage over there. That's too bad. That's too bad. But okay, no problem. Holy, that is some nice decal. Yeah, probably a decal. But holy, that is beautiful. Really gorgeous. So let me take this one out first so I don't have to spend much time in the review video, you know, so we could just focus on the watch only right now. Let's take all this box out of the way, cover them all up, and then I don't have to go through them all over again. I'm probably gonna just to show them at just one time, but hey, this is it. Let me put this thing in here. Okay, 3 box. Let's open this thing up first, the one in the center. This is the DW-6900. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all the details or else it totally gonna ruin the unboxing or review video, the dedicated one. So this is the 5600 version. Okay, I mean, this watch aren't surprised anymore. I've seen a lot of people sharing photos of these watches already on Instagram or on Facebook because I'm kind of late on this, but hey, on YouTube, still pretty fresh. This is the GA100 version. Okay, guys, it looks like it has some sort of glossy face on it, so kind of excited to see that. Okay, not gonna ruin any surprise, so I'm just gonna keep it like that and end this video right away. Again, use the link in the description box if you want to buy any one of this G-Shock watch by yourself from Japan, and at the same time you'll be able to support this channel and allow me to make more videos like this in the future as soon as new release models have been announced by Casio. So right now I should end this video right away. Thank you very much for watching, and also thank you very much for your support. This is gshock and I'm also my cat over here.